loves, so today I am back with another makeup tutorial. It feels like I haven't done a makeup look in so long, but I was feeling the pink today. So if you would love to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, my loves. I'm starting off by taking my Wet n Wild concealer in medium deep tan, and I'm just going to distribute that all over my eyelids and blend it out. And then I'm going to take my Sacha buttercup powder using my Jessup fluffer brush, and I'm just going to pat that in place. Then taking a Model Renaissance palette by Anastasia, I'm going to take a Love Letter and I'm going to buff that into my crease. So I'm going to take circular motions and back and forth motions until I get my desired look that I'm going for. And I'm taking that on a Jessup blending brush. Here I'm taking a clean brush. This is the LA Colors blending brush, I believe. And I'm just going to make sure to distribute that all over and blend that out even more. And then I'm taking my, I want to say this is my BH Cosmetics brush. And this is just the tapered blending brush. And I'm picking up that color in the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm just going to bring that basically all over my eyelid because we are going to be doing a half cut crease. Then I'm picking up that LA Colors brush again just to blend out the harsh edges because we don't want it to be harsh there. We want it to be seamlessly. So you want to take a clean brush, no more product, and then I'm just going to be blending it all out. And because you've blended out so much, you want to make sure to just pick up some more product and just to put that pink back into the look. And then after that, I'm going to be taking my Morphe E27 brush just to blend that out even further. Then I'm taking that Wet n Wild concealer and I'm going to be taking my concealer brush by BH Cosmetics. I think that's the 102 brush to cut the crease. I'm going to be taking that same brush to set it with my Sacha buttercup powder. I'm going to pick up that pink again from the Morphe 35B palette and also my tapered blending brush. And I'm going to put that on my outer V area and blend that all out. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty's highlighter and Trophy Wife. And instead of using it as a highlighter, I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow. I just thought it gave that perfect gold and yellow that will match with this look. So I'm just going to put that all over the eyelids. Then I'm picking up that LA Colors brush and I'm just going back over that pink just to blend it out further. I'm going to take Jessup's brush, the blending brush, just to make sure everything is flawless and blending out seamlessly. Instead of taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange, I just took my Wet n Wild concealer in medium deep tan. And I'm just going to color correct by my mouth and a little bit on my cheeks. To prep my face, I'm going to take my Benefits Professional Primer. Then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Master Chrome Strobing Liquid mixed with my Maybelline Foundation and Warm Sun. And then I'm just going to be patting that into the skin with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And then I'm going to go in with my blending sponge from Real Techniques. Next, going in with the Black Radiance 8003 contour stick. I'm just going to be putting that on the sides of my cheeks and the temples of my forehead. And then I'm going to be blending that out with the Jolie Couture. I think this is the Sculpting Face Brush. Then going in underneath the eyes, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn. And then I'm going to go over on top of that with the Wet n Wild foundation, concealer in medium deep tan. I'm also going to put that on the bridge of my nose and my forehead. Then I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. Then I'm going to set everything in, well, underneath my eyes, wherever I highlighted, with the Sacha Buttercup powder. So underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and I'm going to also set around my mouth. Then I'm taking the Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark. And I'm just going to take a Coastal Scents blush brush, I believe, just to contour the sides of my cheeks, my temples, and the sides of my nose. And then I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge with my Sacha Buttercup powder and go underneath that contour. Then I'm going to dust it away with my MAC Give Me Sun MSF powder. Then to put blush on, I'm going to take my Milani powder in Tea Rose. For the brow bone, I'm taking Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold. And then I'm just going to give myself a spray with the L'Oreal Badescu spray. And then I'm going to be taking that same highlighter and highlighting the high points of my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, my bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm taking that with a Jolie Couture brush. Then to make sure the highlight is extra popping, I'm taking the Sephora Perfect Mist Nude Glow. But it was kind of too popping, so I had to tone it down a little bit. But it was my first time using it, so maybe that's why. Then I'm going to be lining my top lashes and my bottom lashes with the Loreal Paradise Mascara. For the lips, I'm using this beautiful lip cream by Milani, and it's in the shade Gorgeous, and it is gorgeous. I forgot how beautiful this shade was.